Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add only top and bottom border in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this blank space and select whole spreadsheet or press Ctrl A from your keyboard, select whole spreadsheet and click. Also you can select here, click. Now select this border icon and here you will find this on top border option. Select here. Now select here any border color. I'll choose this border color. As is top border color, also make it double underline. Now let bottom border as see this and make it thickness. Also it's in this border color green and see this. This top and bottom border color only change and other border color remains same. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.